This wonderful Willow Springs home has been extensively updated and is ready for you to move right in. The newly remodeled kitchen has brand new stainless steel appliances, including a range, dishwasher and microwave, beautiful granite countertops, new cabinets and a sliding glass door that leads to the sizable deck. The open floor plan with open beam ceilings and a spacious area filled with natural light creates an inviting living room. A wood-burning stove with a brick hearth will keep the whole house heated on cool days. Also, there are lovely bay windows and one with a charming window seat. 2 bedrooms and a completely remodeled full bathroom are on the entry level. Washer and dryer hookups are inside with a door that gives access to the back deck. Upstairs LLC the capacious master suite that overlooks the backyard. There is a walk-in closet and a master bathroom that is newly remodeled. Once you step outside, you'll discover an exceptionally large and completely fenced yard with lots of trees. There is abundant space for a garden, children's playground, animals and awesome summer barbecue gatherings. Willow Springs is a wonderful neighborhood with a pond, clubhouse, tennis courts and a large grassy area.